Hello and welcome to Phonics Reading YouTube channel. In today's lesson, we will read words with digraph ch, ch, I, n, chin. Say the sounds ch, I, n and blend them. Chin. Ch is a digraph. Digraphs are two letters and one sound. Ch, in, chin. Ch, I, n, chin. Now try reading with me. Ch, I, p, s, chips. So to read comfortably, children must know the letter sounds really well. Okay, so if someone is struggling to read, that means he or she is not fluent with the letter sounds. So focus on learning the sounds. Ch, I, p, s, chips, chips. Ich, rich, ich, ich, rich, rich. See, first we are saying the sound separately. Ich, rich. And then we are blending. We are sliding from one sound to the next. Rich, rich, rich. Ch, at, ch, at, chat, ch, at, chat, chat. Punch, 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 punch. Bench, bench. Let's read one more time. Bench, bench, bench. Bunch, 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 bunch. If we know the sounds and we practice blending, reading will not be difficult for us. Okay? Lunch, 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 lunch. Ch, I, double letters, double consonant letters make one sound. Ch, I, chill, chill, chill. To join my phonics class, check the link given in the description. Ch, ik, chick, 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 ch, ik, chick. Munch, 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 munch. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Pinch, pinch. Practice reading and writing these words again and again. Okay, one time practice will not help. We have to practice reading and writing multiple times. Pinch. Ch, imp, chimp, chimp, chimp. Ch, est, chest, chest, ch, est, chest. Are you able to follow me? Yes, very good. Ch, ek, C and K together make only one K sound. We don't read this as ch, e, k, k. No. Ch, e, k. Check, check. Ch, a, champ. Ch, a, champ, champ. Ch, a, chain. There are two digraphs in chain. The first one is ch and the second one is a. Ch, a, chain. Ch, e, k, chick. In chick also we have two digraphs, ch and e. Ch, eek, chick, chick. Two digraphs in coach too, k, och, k, och, coach, k, och, coach. This is a challenge word. Will you be able to read it on your own? Let's try. Ch, op, st, ik. Ch, op. If you know the sounds well, you will be able to read it. Ch, op, st, ik. Chopstick, chopstick. A long one, but let us try reading it. Sand, sand, sand. Wo, it. Sand, wo, it. Sandwich, sandwich, sandwich. If you practice few times, you will get it. Ch, ik, e, chicken. Ch, ik, e, chicken. 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 It is not at all difficult, isn't it? Can you read? K, ok. C and K, one K sound. C and K is also a digraph, okay? Cock, och. Cock, och. Cock, och. What is the word? Cock, och. Cockroach. Yes, very good. To join my online phonics class, check the link given in the description. And now let us read with the Up to 6 Phonics Plus app. Let us practice few words reading with the Up to 6 Phonics Plus app.
Up to 6 Phonics Plus. As in chess. Chess.
The digraphs are color coded with blue so that children can easily identify them. Chess.
Chess. As in check. Check.
Check.
As in rich. Rich.
Rich. Rich. Rich.
Rich. As in cockroach. Oh. Cockroach.
The advantage of using the app is children can listen to the sounds again and again. R-O-Ch. Cockroach.
Cockroach. As in chest. Chest. Chest.
Chest.
Chest.
Can you find some more words with the digraph ch? Good job. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. Keep practicing.